Hey guys, welcome back to Catch Up with Kayla. So today I just bought a Moriah Elizabeth mystery plush. So I really recommend her channel, especially for you artists out there. It's amazing, she's hilarious, she has a lot of art content. It's a lot of fun to watch. So she has some plushes, mystery box plushes in Walmart, and I wanted to buy one, so I did. It's about $10. Skizzers. Oh, I'm scared. I got Georgie. I wanted him. Okay, this is Georgie, one of her iconic characters that she's made. He's like a pineapple and a duck put together. It's so cute! He was actually the one I wanted. I got both plushes that I really wanted. Pickle the dinosaur and Georgie. Okay, thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe. Bye!